Okay, hello everyone. So today I will show you guys about the recording for time study video. So from my project is wrapping a nasi belaut, and in this project there are 4 steps about how to wrap a nasi belaut that I can conclude. For the first element is we must grab wrapping paper and scoop the rice. And the second one is take side dishes and put sambal. The third one is add the cucumber. And the last one is fold the wrapping paper, tie it with rubber and put aside. So as the first round, how to read the time at the stopwatch in the video. So the answer is as the person touch the object. So we take the reading time for the first element. Okay, I will show you the video. Okay, for the starting time is 0.01 second, which is when the person start the video, they touch the starting time, and then we can know the holding time to the person touch the object is 0.01. So as the person touch the object, we take the that time is as our first element, our first. So 0, 0, 2. Okay. Grab wrapping paper and scoop the rice. Okay, for the second element is the time for the second element is 0.19, which is when the person touch the side dishes. Okay, for the third element is the person touch the cucumber, and then we can take that time is 0.22 second. Okay, and then when the person fold the wrapping paper, we take the time is 0.24. Okay. And then we have finished for the first cycle. So for the second cycle, we put the time when the person touch the wrapping paper first, 0.35. Okay, for the next step is 0.51 for the reading time for the second element. Okay, for the third one is 0.55. And the last one is 0.58. Okay, this is 1 minute ago. We can have done with two cycle, and for third cycle is we take when as the person touch the wrapping paper first, which is 1 minute 0.5. Okay, for the second element, which is 1.19. For the second element is 1.22. Okay, for the last element is 1.24. Okay. There is the whole cycle until 10. We can show you guys for the next the done table. I will show you guys. Okay, for the part 2. So this is the whole of the time study table that I have done fill it. So there are two outliers, which is at the element 1. When at the cycle 1 we have one outlier, and the second element we have one outlier also at the cycle 10. So how to calculate the average time? So for the total cycle, we calculate when we have the outliers. We don't take the outliers to calculate on the cycle. So we only have to calculate only 9 cycle. We must highlight it. We don't take it into our calculation. So for the outliers, average time for element 1, 65 divided by 9. We calculate here. This 65. Multiplied by 9, we got here 7.22. We take 2 decimal places. 7.22. So for the second one, we also take 9 because at the cycle 10 we have the outliers, which is 22. For the average time, 1 for 1 divided by 9, we get 15.67. For the third one, 35 divided by 10, we get here 3.5. And then for last one, we get 2.9. Okay, for the perform rating, where we get it? We get here. For the perform rating, we get from the rating table, which is for the rating of the person which is who was wrapping the nasi lemak, nasi belauk. So for the skill, which is excellent, 0.08, and the condition, which is good, 0.02, and the value for the effort, which is average, 0.0, and the consistency value, which is good, 0.01. So how to calculate the perform rating, which is 1 plus the all of the rating table. skill, condition, effort and consistency, total all, and then we plus 1. So we get the answer 1.11 here. So for the normal time, we must use the formula. The formula is average time multiply the perform rating. So here we get the average time and we get here perform rating. So let's calculate it. Normal time 7 for the element 1, 7.22 multiply 1.11, we get here 8.01. For the second one, we get here 15.67 multiply 1.11, get here 17.69. Next one, 3.5 multiply 1.11, we get 3.885. so we round off that 3.89. Okay, for the last one, 2.9 multiply by 1.11, we get here 3.219. so we can round off, we get 3.22. So how to calculate the allowance that have been given, which is 15%, and we must calculate the standard rating, standard rating. So how to calculate the standard time? We must use the formula normal time multiply 1 plus allowance. So here, so for the 1 plus allowance, we get here 1 plus with 15%, we get 1.15 here for the 1 plus allowance. So we must multiply by the normal time to calculate to get the standard time. So the normal time 8.01, we get here 9.21, 9.21 for the first element. The second one, we get here 17.39 multiplied by 1.15, get here 20.00. Okay, for the second one, the third one, which is 3.89 multiplied by 1.15, get here 4.47, and the last one 3.22 multiplied by 1.15, we get here 3.70. Okay, so for the total of the standard time, which is for one pack of nasi belauk, this is calculation for the the time in the second for one pack of nasi belauk. So the total one is 9.21 plus 20 plus 4.47 plus 3.7. So the answer is 37.38 second. 37.38 second. Okay, so this is the whole of the total for wrapping for one pair of nasi blau. Okay, that's all from me. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching my video. Stay safe and goodbye.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I got broads in Atlanta. She took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Getting no licks in the band. Legacies.